Mercedes-Benz is making a bold move for 2027, quietly retiring the EQB name and replacing it with something far more ambitious. The new fully electric GLB EV isn't a refresh, it's a ground-up redesign that redefines compact luxury electric SUVs. New electric identity. The 2027 GLB EV signals a major shift in Mercedes' naming strategy, bringing electric models back under familiar badge names. Instead of standing apart like the EQB, this EV becomes a true electric version of the next-generation GLB. This redesign is built on Mercedes' EV first MMA platform, meaning electric performance is no longer an adaptation. Everything from packaging to proportions is optimized for batteries, efficiency, and next-level technology from the very beginning. Despite its modern upgrades, the GLB EV keeps its boxy, upright character. That shape isn't just styling nostalgia. It allows Mercedes to continue offering one of the rarest features in this class, an optional third-row seat. Luxury goes digital. Step inside and the transformation is dramatic. The optional MB.OS super screen stretches across the dashboard under one glass panel, combining the driver display, central infotainment screen, and a dedicated passenger display into a seamless digital experience. Powering everything is Mercedes' new MB.OS, designed to learn driver habits and adapt over time. Voice commands feel more natural, navigation smarter, and over-the-air updates keep the system evolving long after purchase. Practical luxury remains a priority. The longer wheelbase improves second-row space, while premium materials elevate the cabin feel. Even the steering wheel blends modern tech with physical buttons, restoring intuitive controls many drivers missed. Serious EV performance. Underneath, the 800-volt MMA architecture brings a massive leap in charging speed and efficiency. With fast chargers, the GLB EV could add over 150 miles of range in roughly 10 minutes, changing long-distance usability. Single-motor rear-wheel drive models prioritize range, while dual-motor AWD versions deliver confident performance in all-weather traction. European testing figures suggest competitive driving range that rivals much larger electric SUVs. Mercedes also hints at increased towing capability, surprising for a compact EV. This makes the GLB EV not just a city-friendly luxury crossover, but a genuinely versatile family vehicle with electric performance at its core. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLB EV isn't just an EQB replacement. It's a smarter, faster, and more practical electric SUV built for real-world use. Subscribe for deeper EV breakdowns, like the video, and comment if 7-seat electric SUVs excite you.